Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be talking about the new Rainbow High house that I purchased. So I asked you guys in my community tab which house you wanted to see, the Malibu house or the Rainbow High, and everyone voted for the majority voted for the Rainbow High house. So this is why I'm showing it. This is the newest version of the Rainbow High dollhouse, and it doesn't come with a bathtub. The shower is printed on the backdrop and the background of the house. I really don't like that. It doesn't come with any doors in the front of the house, as you very much saw when I first showed the house. It's just really different. I do like the couch. It's nice and squishy. And I do like the open floor plan of the house. So there are some pros and cons to this house. Now it does come with the elevator and it's working. I mean, you have to push it up and down. It's not automatic or anything like that. And I like the color scheme, the overall colors and the color palette of the house. So here's the elevator. It moves up and down manually. You have to manually push it, as I mentioned before. But I mean, it's a nice little feature. And I like how modern it looks. It looks really cool. Here's the second floor, and it has a kitchen. And I did put the table and chair set in the front of the house. I mean, in the front where the kitchen is. And it did come with a few different accessories like the plate set, and it came with cereal, a toaster, a pan, and then it had like a juice bottle and two like hydro flask containers or thermos. And here is the washer and dryer room, or the washroom. It just came with a washing machine. And like I said, I do like the color palette, and I don't mind the printed backdrops on the walls. And here's an up-close personal look at the play set. It's outlined with gold utensils, and I like that too. And then it also had two cups that one is white and one is black with straws. They look more portable. I do wish it would have matched the dishes and been more formal. Oh, and it also came with like some Chinese food, takeout Chinese food. So this house is extremely large, even with this version. Here's the third floor with the bedroom, and it didn't come with like the decorated comforter set. It only came with one pillow, as you can see here. And I did have to put this in my dining room because it wouldn't fit in my area. Like, I live in an apartment and I have a doll room, but I don't have anything like big enough to display this quite yet. I'm ordering another table so I can put this in my doll room, but it's a really big house. Bree Barbs was totally right. This house is really big, even though she has the original version, which looks way better than the version that I have here. Overall, like, I'm not really mad at the purchase because, I mean, it came with the computer and a eyeshadow palette, but I only paid $40 for this house, and I'm gonna tell you why. It was on sale for $85 at Amazon, and then it was late, so Amazon gave me $10, and then it had this chip in it, and when I told Amazon about that, they discounted it again another $20, and I did have a $10 Amazon coupon. So for $40, I'm not really mad. I just, again, wish I had the original version of the house because it looks way better. But you tell me in the comments what you think of this house and would you consider buying this particular version of the Rainbow High house. Thank you for tuning into my channel. This was a quick little video. I'm going to do the Malibu house next, and we'll go from there. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Follow me on Instagram at Mama Doll Boss. I hope you all have a wonderful day. You all are amazing. Thank you again, and bye.